Today, I want to talk about finding your bias and I'll show you a couple of quick tricks. Then maybe talk about swing trading using high time frame like hourly charts. It's gonna be a really educational video. If you are good to go, let's start now. In trading, especially using higher time frames or swing trading, the most important thing you find out is your overall bias. So you may trade in the direction of your bias. Easy trick to understand the bias is using high time frame candles like daily and weekly candlesticks. I was quite bullish on the NASDAQ in the recent weeks, but why? Let's learn it now. When you look at the daily or weekly candlesticks, the easiest approach to finding your bias is observing the imbalances. If you notice bullish, large imbalances, this is your first sign of strength of the buyers. The other trick is candlesticks. If the previous day or week high extremely strongly broken with the body like this is also a great sign. Basically, the buyers are dominating the sellers in both cases. However, if you notice that bullish imbalances started to fail and are not holding anymore, this is your first sign of weakness in the bulls. Or the break is quite weak. It turns back into a hammer shape, basically becoming a swing failure pattern, SFP. This is your weakness. It means that bulls are being rejected by the bears. When you notice a new bearish imbalances start to appear and it is crashing the price, this is your main weakness in the price. This means that sellers took the control back from the buyers. Or you noticed a very strong break downwards, another great sign of bearish bias. Here you see, in 5 minutes you find yourself a main bias. Not that hard, right? But how to use this bias? This is the golden question. Now you use main daily or weekly candles to find yourself a bias. In the high time frames, you understood this part. Rest is observing the lower time frames like hourly or maybe minute-based charts and using the field concepts. In the upper trend, for example, using inner liquidity sweeps, especially with imbalanced tabs as your entries. This is not a complicated setup, actually rather simple. All you need is just some patience. When I was looking at the weekly NASDAQ chart, what I noticed? NASDAQ was actually crashing really badly, and we all expected a new strong breaks downwards. The bearish momentum actually failed right here, no break at all. Instead, look at the upper breaks. Stronger breaks and no swing failure pattern. However, at this time, look at this downward break. It is a swing failure pattern. Yes, it is a bearish break, but it is quite weak and instantly rejected by the buyers, turned into an SFP. How about the daily chart? Please observe the most breaks on the upper side. As you can see, strong breaks most of the time. But look at the downside breaks. All rejected and became swing failure patterns. So what does this tell me? Every drop rejected by buyers, and sellers cannot dominate the buyers. Buyers simply absorb every single drop, as you can notice. Basically, my bias is bullish. So my target was hitting this imbalance area above. It actually hit yesterday, Friday night. When you drop the time frame to hourly charts or minute-based charts, as a swing trader or even day trader, your main job is finding entries on the long side, since your bias is bullish. And your best chance is these nice fill points. Notice this triple lower liquidity point, and right below a large big imbalance. A magnificent place to fill up and keep going upwards. It is also actually supported by this SR Philip location as well. Again, once you find your bias, the rest of the job is finding lower time frame entries based on the fill points. I hope that this video was a clear example for you. Okay folks, what an amazing and educational trading video. Please take care for now and see you next time. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you